Let's go. First of all, my obeisances to my Guru Pada Padma, Nitya Pravishtam Vishnupad, Astotara Shata Shrimad Bhaktivedanta, Srila Vamana Goswami Maharaj, to his lotus feet which remove all the fear. I offer my unlimited obeisances. And also my obeisances to Nitya Pravishtam Vishnupad, Astotara Shata Shrimad Bhaktivedanta, to Srila Narayana Goswami Maharaj, to his lotus feet. I offer again and again my Dandavat Pranams. And also after that, my obeisances to Nitya Pravishtam Vishnupad, Astotara Shata Shrimad Bhaktivedanta Swami Maharaj, and to all the Vaishnavas, Vaishnavis present here. Please accept my Dandavat Pranams accordingly. Today is a very super excellent auspicious day. Today is Ekadasi Tithi. Which day? Ekadashi Tithi. So what is the name of the Ekadashi today? Which Ekadasi is today? Which? Pavitropana Ekadasi. Pavitropana Ekadasi. Means Bhakti Devi, the pure Bhakti will appear in your heart. Just like in Chaitanya Charitamrita says, Brahmanda Brahmite Kona Bhagyavan Jeev. Wander in this material world. By good fortune, you get the shelter of a pure devotee, of a Gurudev. And by his mercy, the seed of the creeper of devotion is sown in your heart. So today, the name of the Tithi today is Pavitra Rupani Ekadashi. It's a very, very important day today. In this very auspicious occasion, under the guidance of Guru and Vaishnavas, today we have come to this very divine place of Mahaprabhu's pastimes. Like you had darshan, when Mahaprabhu was chanting holy names here, even the stones melted because of the Namasankirtan of Mahaprabhu. Did you see? Yes, they melted. This place is divine, amazing. So when Mahaprabhu started to do Namasankirtan, all the animals, the beasts, they came and they surrounded Mahaprabhu and they started dancing in the Namasankirtan of Mahaprabhu. They surrounded Mahaprabhu, started dancing. The animals started dancing in the Namasankirtan of Mahaprabhu. But we are so unfortunate. We have done so much Namasankirtana, but you haven't been dancing. This is our misfortune. But in the Namasankirtan of Mahaprabhu, what happened? The animals, the beasts, all of them started dancing. And when they started dancing, even the stones melted. And until nowadays, in the stones you can see the paws of all the animals. You can directly see. Have you seen the footprints, imprints of all the animals? You can see all of them here. At that time, even big snakes were here as well, like pythons. You can see the imprint on the stone. Not one, thousands. Chaitanya Charitamrita describes, Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami explains that when Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, so he promised to inundate the whole world in Krishna Prem. So that's why Mahaprabhu, he started going from Jagannath Puri to Bengal. Sorry, opposite. Bengal to... Sorry, let me come back. So in Chaitanya Charitamrita, Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami describes the following, that Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he promised to inundate the whole world in the Krishna Prem, love for Krishna. So that's why Mahaprabhu also, he started going from Jagannath Puri to Bengal. And on the way he came to Jarikanda, this forest. Chaitanya Charitamrita describes Jarikanda. Mahaprabhu started going through this path, and it was dense forest at the time. This forest that you see now is nothing compared to the forest 500 years ago. At the time before, it was like dense forest, like very like dense forest. Chaitanya Charitamrita describes many like ferocious animals, lions, elephants, all of them here, pythons, scorpions, they were here. And two devotees came with Mahaprabhu. One was Balabhadra Bhattacharya, and another cook also came to cook for Mahaprabhu. So he used to cook for Mahaprabhu, and he used to carry the water pot of Mahaprabhu. Mahaprabhu was completely absorbed in holy names. Once, one evening, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he was chanting and walking. It was like midnight. Mahaprabhu was chanting holy names, walking around. Then the python, the path in the forest, the trail was very narrow. Only one person could go through that. It's like a small trail, narrow trail in the forest, and Mahaprabhu was chanting holy names. And these two sevakas of Mahaprabhu, Balabhadra Bhattacharya and this Brahman cook, were following behind. Mahaprabhu was absorbed in bhav, chanting. And in this narrow path, there was a big lion sleeping on the path. When Mahaprabhu was chanting holy names, Mahaprabhu was so absorbed in bhav that he touched the lion with his feet, and then the lion woke up with Mahaprabhu's touch of his feet, and then the lion raised his two front paws and opened his mouth, like very big mouth, like a lion, big mouth. Balabhadra Bhattacharya, he was so frightened. Today, Mahaprabhu's gone, and us as well. Means we're gonna be food for this lion. He'll prey on us. Balabhadra Bhattacharya said, Prabhu. Mahaprabhu, absorbed in bhava, said, Krishna kaho. All of you also chant, Krishna kaho, say Krishna. So Mahaprabhu said this, and then what happened? The lion, he raised his two front paws and started dancing just like a human being, and also speaking like a human being. So he started dancing and chanting Krishna, Krishna, just like a human being, properly speaking, Krishna, Krishna. Everyone was so surprised to see this scene. Not only that, Mahaprabhu continued walking, and then there was many deer. All of them also started running behind Mahaprabhu, all the deer. So the lion and the deer, they started embracing each other, absorbed in bhava and prem. Also chanting holy names, Krishna, Krishna. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, 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 Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Because when prema comes in your heart, you forget all enmity. So we are chanting holy names, we are chanting mantra, but now we cannot forget. We don't forget hatred, we don't forget violence, we don't forget enmity, we don't forget envy. So
हम प्रतिशोध लेना
We
चाहते
want to take revenge.
हमारे दुर्भाग्य की
This is our misfortune, our bad luck.
काम करेंगे उसके ये
Those who are really chanting holy names, they are not even going to think about this. What to speak of taking revenge?
में कुछ कल्पना भी करनी
They cannot even imagine of something like that. Those who chant holy names, really.
दीजिए एक बार नमावाज भी हो
What to speak of receiving prem? Only if you chant Namabhas, the semblance of holy names, still you don't want to, you will not have desire for anything of that. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
ये जो आप जो नदी देख रहे हैं ये अर्ज करो बाद में करना आपके सारा दिन आपको पता रहेगा
After you can do the jai.
ये आप जो नदी देख रहे हैं ये अर्ज करो बाद में करना आपके सारा दिन आपको पता रहेगा हाँ नींद छूट जाते हैं ना ये जो आप नदी देख रहे हैं उस
So-
समय विशाल ये नदी था
You are seeing this river here.
500 साल
Before the river was so much bigger, 500 years ago,
ये नदी
this river was so big.
आप पत्थर आदि देख रहे हैं आज से 500 साल पहले ये कैसे था कौन वर्णन कर सकता है
So now you see many stones here in the middle like this, right? But who can say how was this place 500 years ago?
ये तक वो दिव्य महापुरुष वर्णन कर सकते हैं हमारे बस में नहीं है
I don't have this power. Only a divine transcendental personality could say how was this place 500 years ago.
तथापि गुरु वैष्णव जैसे
Still,
वर्णन कर
whatever we heard from Guru Vaishnavas,
प्रवाहित हो रहे हैं
we heard there was actually a big river here.
महाप्रभु ने विचार किया प्रातः काल में महाप्रभु
Mahaprabhu thought
स्नान करने लगे
he came to have a bath, take a bath here in the morning in the river.
पगला हाथी के
And
झूठ आ गया
there was a crazy
पागल हाथी
elephant,
पागल हाथी के झूठ आ गया बलभद्र भट्टाचार्य
group of crazy elephants, mad elephants.
तट पर
And
जाते थे
Bala,
महाप्रभु के जो है क्या बोले शुष्क वस्त्र लेकर के
Balabhadra Bhattacharya and his Brahmana, they came to the banks of this river to bring dry clothes for Mahaprabhu.
महाप्रभु स्नान करके जब
Because Mahaprabhu, after bathing,
वस्त्र को
he had to change and put,
चेंज करा दी
you know, like dry clothes.
भीगे वस्त्र को छोड़ करके
Take the wet cloth
वस्त्र को पहनेंगे
off and put the dry clothes on. So Balabhadra Bhattacharya and the Brahmana, they were nearby.
और महाप्रभु के सूखे वस्त्र को पहनेंगे इसलिए बलभद्र भट्टाचार्य और ब्राह्मण नीचे ऊपर बैठे हुए थे
So they are sitting there
और
up.
महाप्रभु जब स्नान करके
Up there.
स्नान कर रहे थे
So Mahaprabhu was bathing.
एक नहीं हजारों
Not only one,
हाथी
thousands mad elephants came.
और बलभद्र भट्टाचार्य विचार करने लगे तो हमें मार ही देंगे
Balabhadra Bhattacharya thought they're going to kill us.
बलभद्र भट्टाचार्य और वो ब्राह्मण डरने लगे
The Brahmana were so afraid.
उनको देख करके
But Mahaprabhu
क्या की
took some water
हाथ में लिया
in his hand
कृष्ण कृष्ण
and told,
पानी का हाथ में दो
give me some water in my hand here.
आप गिर न जाओ
Be careful not to fall in the water.
देखो महाप्रभु ने क्या की
And then Mahaprabhu,
करके पानी ले
he took the water
सब कुछ किया
and sprinkled over the elephants.
पागल हस्ती ने क्या किया
And then the mad elephant, what he did, started dancing also and chanting Krishna, Krishna.
हैं
Gurudev is throwing the water and everyone looked.
ऐसे नित्य आदि करने लगे
So, dancing like this,
देखो सब प्रेम में सब प्रवाहित
completely absorbed in prema.
महाप्रभु के हाथ के जो
Because imagine this water from the hands of Mahaprabhu is so powerful. And also Nama Sankirtana, both. So whatever, whoever was touched by that water started dancing, absorbed in prema. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
हैं आप भी डाल देते हैं इस प्रकार चैतन्य महाप्रभु इस जंगल में जितने एक नहीं हजारों सैकड़ों
So Mahaprabhu
समस्त जीवों के चैतन्य महाप्रभु
delivered not only one, but billions of living entities here. He made everyone absorbed in prema. You see nowadays, the stone is melted. Not only one stone, melted stone. How many footprints of imprints of
देख रहे हैं
animals?
ये पता नहीं और जगह में ऐसे दिखाई नहीं पड़ता
In other places we don't see like this. Sometimes you see only 2-4 footprints, but here,
हिंदुस्तान में देखो
this whole place is at least
50 मीटर आगे पीछे
50 square meters or maybe 100 square meters full of
ये
footprints.
देखो सब पत्थर में सबके चरण चिन्ह
You can see the footprints of imprints of all the animals.
हाँ, और भी तो देखो काल के द्वारा प्रभावित होकर के कितने पत्थर भी कहाँ कहाँ चले
And also because of the influence of time.
देखो ये पत्थर भी कैसे कैसे कहाँ
Influence of time, maybe these stones which also had imprints there, maybe like not visible now, maybe some are under the water of the river, like when there's one there.
सुंदर जो दिव्य स्थान
You can see how beautiful place.
वर्तमान लोग के नास्तिक लोग है, भगवान के विश्वास नहीं
So the people nowadays, they are so atheist, they don't believe in God.
करते हैं, किंतु यहाँ पर आने पर विश्वास हो जाएगा।
But if you come here, then you will have faith in God.
इसलिए सबको पकड़ करके ले आओ,
So you should bring, like, drag everyone here
है? बोले भाई देखो
and say, oh my brother,
स्थान कैसे दिव्य
this
स्थान
place is a divine transcendental place.
किंतु जो नास्तिक लोग पापी लोग हैं, पाप
But those who are sinners, those who are atheists,
लोग के हजार कुछ भी बोलो वो सुधरेगा नहीं,
even if you tell him 1,000 times, he'll never hear you, never listen to you.
है? इसलिए कहते हैं ये तो परिहारे जय पापी नित्यानंदे नित्या करे, तबे लाठी मारो तार सिरे रो ऊपरी, ऐसे नित्यानंद प्रभु
So,
चैतन्य महाप्रभु सब
Vrindavan Das Thakur says, Nityananda Prabhu and Mahaprabhu delivered everyone.
काफी लोग महाप्रभु और चैतन्य महाप्रभु के नहीं मानते,
But the sinners, they don't accept, they don't believe in Nityananda Prabhu and don't believe in Gauranga Mahaprabhu.
तो हमारे चैतन्य भागवत में
So in Chaitanya Bhagavat, Vrindavan Das Thakur says, Eto parihare jai papi Nityananda ninda kore,
करता है,
who criticize Nityananda, I will kick him in the head.
बोले वैष्णव के शब्द होता है दक्षिणा देवी सुनी,
But the Vaishnava should be humble, like a blade of grass.
बोले
But here he's saying,
क्या करो
I'm gonna
मारो, बोले ये सुना
kick him. Is this still not the Pisunichana being more humble than a blade of grass? Yes.
हनुमान जी गदा लेकर
Just like Hanuman,
पिटाई करता
he
है,
also beats the demons with his gada, his mace.
मुकुट के भी उड़ा दिया,
He even destroyed, threw away the crown of Ravan.
तो मारा नहीं, बोले प्रभु के लिए मैं छोड़ दिया,
Hanuman could kill Ravana, but he said, I'm not gonna kill Ravana. Let me leave Ravan for Lord Ram to kill him. Hanuman was so powerful, he could have killed.
प्रभु के आगे की जो लीला है वो करेंगे,
But he thought, no, let me spare him for the pastimes that Lord will perform later on.
जो पापी लोग दुष्ट लोग
So those who are
चैतन्य महाप्रभु के नहीं
sinners,
मानते हैं, बोले
they don't believe in Gaura Nityananda, in Mahaprabhu.
और क्या करो लाठी मारो,
So let's kick them
में आ जाएगा फिर
in the head.
चैतन्य महाप्रभु के नहीं मानते हैं, और नित्यानंद के नहीं मानते हैं, बोले उनके सिर पर क्या करो लाठी मारो, इनका चैतन्य महाप्रभु के नहीं मानते हैं, और नित्यानंद के नहीं मानते हैं, बोले उनके सिर पर क्या करो लाठी मारो, इंटरनेट में आ जाएगा फिर लोग ये करें, किंतु क्या करें, शास्त्र में लिखा है, उसे पिटाई करो,
But the Shastra says you have to beat him.
कैसे, बोले उसके सिर पर लाठी मारो, उसे शास्त्र के जुक्ति के द्वारा उठा,
But what does it mean, like kick him in the head? It means you have to tell to that person, explain to him according to the Shastra, the supreme truth.
नहीं सुनते हैं तो उसे क्या करो प्रसाद खिलाओ,
And if that person doesn't listen to you still, then what should you do? You should feed him prasadam.
उसके प्रेम के द्वारा क्या करो
With a lot
प्रसाद खिलाओ, आजा प्रसाद ले,
of love, you just feed him prasad and say, hey, take prasad.
वो तो हरि नाम नहीं करेगा,
That person
प्रसाद खिलाओ,
will not chant holy names. So then you give holy name, prasada to that person, and by taking prasadam, that person's heart will be cleansed.
सुकृति बन जाएगा,
He'll get sukriti.
राम तो साईं महाराज
So that's why Bhaktivedanta Swami Maharaj Ji said, food for life. Do food for life. Prasadam distribution.
प्रसाद खिलाओ,
Feed prasadam to everyone.
प्रसाद खिलाते खिलाते उससे
And then
क्या बन जाएगा,
they'll get sukriti.
कथा में
And then with sukriti, they'll get taste in Harikatha, ruchi in Harikatha.
जैसे आप लोग आने कितने जन्म, एक जन्म नहीं कितने जन्म प्रसाद खाते 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 तब यहाँ पर आए,
Like now you guys are here, but actually you have been taking this Mahaprasada in many lives, just taking the prasadam, and then now you came here.
अभी बात जाता है,
And still you run away. Why?
करते कितने जन्म, एक जन्म नहीं कितने जन्म प्रसाद खाते 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 तब यहाँ पर आए, तभी बात जाता है,
Still you run away
अपराध करते
because you commit offense.
हैं, कितने टन प्रसाद खाया,
You have eaten tons of prasada, but you don't know, you forgot. Like, let's calculate.
कितने जन्म
Not in one life, so many lives taking prasada.
सुकृति ये बल पर
Then by the strength of this Sukriti,
स्थान पर आए।
now you have come here to this
ये दिव्य अलौकिक
place,
स्थान
divine
है।
transcendental
हम
place.
लोग दर्शन कर रहे हैं।
So we have the
इस स्थान
darshan.
को जिन लोगों ने संरक्षित करके रखा है,
Those who are protecting
वो
this
लोग
place,
हमारे प्रणम्य है।
they are very, like we bow down to those who are actually taking care of this place.
ये स्थान यदि संरक्षित नहीं रहे,
If this place was not protected,
सब लोग तोड़ फोड़ करके लेकर के जाएंगे।
people could like just start taking things away, like exploiting this place and taking the valuable the valuable heritage. They would steal and go away.
है? इसलिए यहाँ पर जो लोग जो है, आदिवासी लोग जो है,
So
यहाँ का रहने वाले लोग जो है,
those who live here, the aboriginals and those like from this area,
उन लोग भी महाप्रभु के अत्यंत कृपा पात्र है।
who are taking care of this place, they are very dear to Mahaprabhu and they are recipient of mercy of Lord Chaitanya.
बोलो सच्चिदानंद गौर हरि।
Jai.
उन लोग के भी हम नमन करते हैं।
So we
उन लोग के
also
भी हम स्मरण करते
Do
हैं।
homage to them
बहुत सुंदर
and
है।
remember them.
मेरे तो काम है यहाँ तक भी सरकार के द्वारा इस स्थान भी संरक्षित होना चाहिए।
So we remember them. They are doing so well, taking care of this place. I think this place should be a place. How to say? I forgot the word in English. This place should be protected by the government. Like the government should actually make an effort to protect this area, this heritage of this area.
बहुत सुंदर ये दिव्य
This place is so beautiful, divine and transcendental.
हमारे पीढ़ियां जो है एक करके फिर आते रहे और इस स्थान को भी दर्शन करते रहे।
May all the future generations may continue coming here and having darshan of this place.
दिव्य स्थान है।
This place is so divine. Look at this.
देख करके महाप्रभु क्या कहते थे?
Looking at this, Mahaprabhu said,
स्थावर जंगम देखे ना देखे तार मूर्ति जहाँ जहाँ नेत्र पड़े इष्ट दे स्फूर्ति वन देखी भ्रमर ए वृंदावन जहाँ नदी
sing any jungle, Mahaprabhu taught, this is Vrindavana. Sing any river, Mahaprabhu taught, this is Jamuna.
भासी जाए कामी। महाप्रभु ऐसे सुंदर दिव्य
Mahaprabhu, when he saw this green, lushy forest, he used to dance. He started dancing, feeling spurtis, visions of Vrindavan, having visions of Vrindavan. And Mahaprabhu used to praise Vrindavan. Sing the mountain. Mahaprabhu taught of Giriraj.
हरिदास वर्जो जग राम कृष्ण चरण परस प्रमोदम मानम तनति सह गोपगण पानी असिव जबस कंदर कंद मूलई। स्वयं राधा जी के मुख
So Shrimati Radhika herself, she spoke this verse. Shrimati Radhika herself, with her own lotus mouth, she praised Giriraj with this verse, and Mahaprabhu again and again repeated this verse. So even the group of deer would come here, and then Mahaprabhu used to see the deer. So the deer would come. There were so many groups of deer here, seeing the deer. Mahaprabhu used to embrace them, and Mahaprabhu used to describe verses of the Venugit. Which verse?
फिर मोर के देख करके चैतन्य महाप्रभु कैसे नित्य आदि करते।
Seeing the peacock, Mahaprabhu also started dancing.
चैतन्य महाप्रभु क्या कीर्तन करते?
Which kirtan he used to do when he saw the peacock?
वृंदावनम सखी भुवो वितनोति कीर्तिं जत वृंदावनम सखी वितनत भिभु जैसे बोल जाए।
Oh, forgot.
वृंदावनम सखी वितनत जत वृंदावनम सखी भुवो वितनोति कीर्तिं जत वृंदावनम सखी भुवो वितनोति कीर्तिं जद देवकी सुतो पदाब्ज लब्ध लक्ष्मी गोविंद वेणुर्मत्त मयूर नित्यं प्रेक्षादृसन्न वरतं समस्त सत्तम। मोर मरी कैसे देखो
How the peacock and the peahen,
ऊपर से
they come from the top of Giriraj. They come to the base of Giriraj, to the foothill, and they spread their wings, their tail, and start dancing.
देखो कि शुद्ध पदार्थ लब्ध लक्ष्मी गोविंद वेणु उन्मत्त मयूर नित्यम प्रक्षादि सन्नवरतान्न समस्त सत्तम ये समस्त दिग्बालु की स्थान
This is a divine transcendental place.
महाप्रभु आकर के यहाँ पर
Mahaprabhu came here,
भाव में आविष्ट होकर
and he was completely absorbed in bhav and stayed here for some time.
नरोत्तम दास ठाकुर कहा
Narottam Das Thakur says,
महाप्रभु के समय मेरा जन्म
if I had taken birth in the time of Mahaprabhu, then by the mercy of Mahaprabhu,
उत्पन्न हो जाए पशुपा की जुड़े पाषाण भी
automatically Prem would manifest in my heart by the mercy of Mahaprabhu.
पशुपा की जुड़े पाषाण विदारे सुनी जा रघुन गाथा जिनकी कथा सुनकर के पशु पक्षी सभी प्रेम में
By hearing about his glories,
भक्त हो जाते
or even the animals and the stones, they melt. I mean, the animal's heart, everyone's heart melts, and even the stones melt. You see, by seeing his love. But the poet says,
पाषाण तो गोल्लो नारी मेरे मन रूपी पाषाण द्रवीभूत नहीं हो रहा
my heart's not melting. Why?
इदम गतेदम जदगृज माने हरिनाम ध्येय हरिनाम करने पर चित्त द्रवीभूत होना चाहिए
So when you chant holy names, your heart should melt. If your heart's not melting, you should understand that
अपराध है तब जानो
you have offenses in your heart. You have offenses.
हजारों बार नाम करो
So that's why even if you chant 1,000 times,
इफेक्ट नहीं होगा
you don't, no effect is coming. But still, you have to give up the offense and continue chanting again and again. And by the mercy of Mahaprabhu, pure holy names one day will come in you. First, Namabhas will come, semblance of holy names, and then Shuddhanam. When Shuddhanam manifests, then what will you do?
हसति असो रोति रोति गायन माधव नृत्यति लोकवाज्य शृण्वन् सुभद्राणि रथाङ्गपानि जन्मानि कर्माणि जनितलोके नामानि गीतानि तदार्थकानि गायन उन्माधव नृत्यति लोकवाज्य भगवत नाम करते करते
By chanting holy names, slowly, slowly, your heart will melt completely. And then sometimes you're going to chant very loudly, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Sometimes you're going to cry non-stop, sobbing and like lamenting so much. Sometimes you're gonna dance and laugh very loudly. Ha 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 ha. Why sometimes laughing, sometimes crying? Is it because of it's like a women thing? Women crying 1 second and next second women are laughing. Do you think this is because they have love, prem? No. Yeah, this is the prem of the women, the love of the women. Very cheap love. Because in 1 second they are ha ha ha, and the other second they're like, woo. No, this is not prema. So prema, yes, when the person has prema, they'll cry. Because depending on the leelas he's remembering, he's gonna react accordingly. So if he remembers Milanantamaka Leela, pastimes of meeting of Krishna, then he'll feel happy and laugh. And if he starts remembering pastimes of a separation, he'll start crying. This is what happens. The Uttama Mahabhagavad is also like this. Sometimes laughing, sometimes crying. But the Mahabhagavad, the topmost devotee, he hides his moods in his heart. He doesn't show everything. Because prema is such a thing, it's just like a karpur, like a camphor. Prema is like camphor. Camphor, if you put camphor in an open space, after some time, the camphor will just like evaporate and the smell will go away. So that's why I have to keep the camphor in a box.
डिब्बे में
So you have to keep your prema also hidden in the heart, your heart hidden.
हाँ समझ ली कि नहीं?
Understand?
और प्रेम के लिए प्रकाश कर दिया
If you manifest prema,
के भांति वो प्रेम
just like camphor, the prema will disappear.
कोई लाभ नहीं है
No benefit.
कहते हैं प्रेम के जितना ही गोपन करके रखा
So the more you hide the prema,
जाए वो सुरक्षित है
the more protected it is.
इस वजह से दो शब्द नहीं बताता है
So only 2 words more I want to speak.
हाँ हाँ करके भक्त क्यों हंसते हैं
So why the devotee is laughing? So when he
करने लगे आज कृष्ण के मैं
sees some pastime of meeting. So one time one gopi said that today I'm going to catch Krishna red-handed.
विश्वास नहीं करती है
Because Mother Yashoda doesn't believe that Krishna steals butter in my house.
हमारे घर में आकर के
That Krishna comes in my house and steals butter.
चुराता है
Mother Yashoda doesn't believe.
आज के क्या करेगी
So today, you know what I'm going to do?
पकड़ कर
I catch Krishna
और माँ जसोदा
red-handed and I will
दिखाएंगे इसको।
like tell him
भक्तवंशा,
tell on him
वो गोपी के घर में आ
so that
गोपी के घर में आकर के
Krishna came to the house of that gopi
प्रातः काल में हैं? वो ताजा ताजा मक्खन
and that gopi earlier had prepared the very nice butter
क्या करे? गोविंद
and she was what? Chanting holy names of Krishna.
माधवेति, गोविंद दामोदर माधवेति, गोविंद दामोदर माधवेति, गोविंद दामोदर। कृष्ण के एक स्वभाव है बड़े मेरे नाम लेके
The nature of Krishna is like, oh, if someone is calling my name, of course I will come.
है कि नहीं?
True or
तो
not?
कृष्ण वहीं पर घर में आ गए
So Krishna came in her house
आकर के उसके घर में मक्खन को जो चुराने लगी
and then he started stealing her butter.
रंगेली हाथ में उसको पकड़ लिया
Krishna caught him red-handed. Gopi caught him Krishna red-handed.
हमारे मक्खन क्यों चोरी कर
Kanaya, why are you stealing my butter?
तो मेरा घर है
Krishna said, your butter, this is my house.
कि मेरा घर है
This is your house or my house?
मेरा तेरा यही तो माँ है
Because my is this, right? When you think, oh, this is mine, this is yours. But the gopi said, this is my house.
कृष्ण कहने लगे
Krishna said, no, it's my house.
अच्छा
Oh yeah.
फल कपट अरे मक्खन क्यों चुरा रहे हो
Hypocrite, why are you stealing butter?
मैं थोड़ी चोर हूँ
I'm not stealing, I'm not a thief. So what are you doing?
अरे देखो मेरा जो है एक बछड़ा जो है
Actually, one of my calves,
वो बछड़ी
female calf,
बाहर आ गए वह उसके पीछे करते करते
came out and then she ran away and came into here. Where? She's hiding
मक्खन की
here in your butter pot.
गिर गया
In your butter pot.
निकालो
Oh yeah, let me see. Take it out.
कृष्ण ने क्या की
Then Krishna
मक्खन को हाथ में लगा
was moving his hand up and down like this in the butter pot.
करते छोटा एक
And then he found one marble
बछड़े को जो है निकाल
calf. He said, oh here, my calf, look.
देखो हाँ? कृष्ण बड़ा खुश आएगी
Krishna said, true or not?
मक्खन को दिया गोपी हंसे देखो दिया
And then the gopi started laughing. Okay.
तुम ऐसे नहीं मानोगी
Ah, yeah.
नहीं मानोगी तुमको आज
Oh, no.
मैं बांध
Today I will have a proof that you're stealing. I'm gonna bind you here and I'm gonna call your mom to show that you're stealing. Krishna said yes. Krishna said, okay. So you're gonna bind me? Yes.
जुड़ा बांधने वाला
So Gopi took her hairband,
है उस रस्सी के द्वारा
the hairband of the Gopi.
दोनों हाथ को बांधने
So with her 2 hands, she was gonna bind Krishna's wrists around the pillar
के साथ बंधा रहे
because she had still to call Mother Yashoda, na? So let me bind him here and I'll go call Mother Yashoda.
रख करके दोनों
So she put the pillar like this and Krishna around and she was going to bind.
संग भगवान ही है
Krishna is Swayam Bhagavan,
भगवती लीला आदि का
performing pastimes like a human being.
जितने बार बंद
So the more the gopi started to try to bind and bind him, she was not able to do it.
4 मिनट 6 मिनट 10 मिनट हो गया
2, 4, 5, 10 minutes. Finally Krishna said, Gopi, what are you doing? You're crazy, huh?
आता ही नहीं है
You don't know how to bind a rope, a simple rope. You don't know how to do it.
आजम सुनो गोपी
Listen, Gopi, hear me out.
बांध करके मैं सिखाता
I will bind you and I will teach you, okay?
उससे क्या है
You can learn from me and then you bind me, okay?
सीखता है कि नहीं
Just like a disciple learns first from the guru, right?
हाँ? प्रचार करते हैं अरे गुरु से तो सीखे
And then he can preach.
देखो मैं जगत गुरु हूँ।
So Krishna is saying, oh, I'm the supreme guru. You should learn something from me.
बनना है
You should learn how to make knots.
सही है
The gopi said, that's true.
चलो इससे मैं सीख लेती हूँ
Okay, let me learn from him.
अरे कृष्ण कह रहे हैं, तेरा हाथ है
Krishna said, okay, put your hands here around the pillar.
कृष्ण के ऐसे सुंदर मधुर
Krishna has such a sweet voice,
महित
sweet words that she completely got bewildered.
मधुरं
Sorry, this song, the Rashtakam actually, the Sanskrit.
मधुरं चलितां मधुरं मधुराधिपते अखिलं मधुरं बोलितं मधुरं कृष्ण के बोलना
Bolitam Maduram means Krishna speaks so sweetly.
कृष्ण के ऐसे सुंदर
So that gopi,
सुंदर के मन को
hearing his voice, became completely bewildered. Okay, let me see, let me bind you.
कृष्ण ने क्या कि
Sorry, let me see how you bind me, how you.
अच्छी तरह से
So Krishna started knotting, like making knot here, just like
खोल करके देख दो ना वो चार बार 10 बार
just like us, like when Gurudeva binds this thread around our wrist, we said, no, Gurudeva bind like 1 knot, 2 knots, 3 knots, like very, like a lot, you know?
शुरू कर दिया हाँ? अच्छा सुनो वो गोपी के दोनों हाथों के जो है रस्सी के द्वारा अच्छी तरह से बांध दिया बांध करके बोले टाटा बाय बाय
And then Krishna made many knots, and then Krishna said, ciao ciao, tata, que é tipo, ciao ciao em hindi. Que? Tá indo embora? Oh, sorry. So Krishna said bye bye, and then like tata means bye bye, and then the gopi said, what, are you leaving?
अरे देखो गोपी एक बात बताती हूँ मैंने
Gopi,
कहाँ से जो है ना
I'll tell you.
बोलना नहीं सीखा बोलना मैं
Krishna said, Gopi, I'll tell you one thing. My mom taught me how to bind knots, but not how to open the knots. I don't know how to untie. And then Krishna disappeared. So one who remembers this lila, he will laugh as well, right? Of course. So this kind of lilas take place, and there are unlimited pastimes. Itiriksa lila bir. With these pastimes, Krishna submerges the Brajavasis in oceans of happiness. Like Damodar Ashtakam explained. So in this way, when the devotee is chanting holy names, sometimes he's crying, sometimes he's laughing. So when some funny pastimes he laughs, when it's pastimes of separation, for example, when Krishna disappeared from the Ras dance, the gopis started crying. Remember in the pastimes of Krishna,
Janmana braja shrata indira sashta atrahi daitari chatam dichuta buka hridita sava swang vichinnate saradado dasai sadhu jatasi saroja sujagare sri musadrita Suratana tate Sultadasika Varadhani ginato Neya bingvara Tava kathamritam Tapya jivanam Parivirikam Kalmatam Saranamangalam Sri Mukam jate Garavri Bhuviginnanti te Bhuridajana Tava kathamritam Tapta jivanam Kaviviritam Kalmasatam Sravanamangalam Srimadattatam Bhuviginnanti te Bhuridajana 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 इस प्रकार गोपियां
so in this way the gopis,
प्रेम से
with so much love,
है और रोते हुए
they're crying.
ससुर से
And with a beautiful voice, melody, they started to describe and remember the beautiful pastimes of Krishna, crying and crying, Gopi Gita. So if a devotee sees these or hears about this pastime, he'll also cry as well. So the premic devotees, the devotees who have prem, sometimes they cry, sometimes they're laughing. That's why. Very beautiful. I don't want to take too much time. Let's do kirtan. Let's take some prasad of Ekadashi here. Today is not so sunny. It's not also not raining. We're lucky. This is the mercy of Mahaprabhu. And day of Ekadashi If it was not the mercy of Mahaprabhu, we will never be able to come here if it wasn't the mercy of Mahaprabhu.
40 साल तक हो गया, कभी यहाँ पर आने की कोई मौका ही नहीं मिला, ना सौभाग्य मिला।
It's been 40 years in my life. I have never had the good fortune, the opportunity to come here before.
अभी चतुर्मास और झूलन
Now
महोत्सव
Chaturmasa, Julan Yatra.
तो ये कोई सामान्य है।
It's not ordinary to come here.
कितने भक्त लोग आप आए।
How many devotees came here? Look, so nice.
अगली बार की इसी बार यदि अनाउंस करते थे तो भीड़ जम जाता है, मुझे पता है सर।
But I know that if next time you announce also, I know many devotees would come here with me as well.
है, मुझे पता नहीं, ये पहली बार से
Just one more minute. Gurudev is speaking, but
की इसी बार यदि अनाउंस करते तो भीड़ जम जाता है, मुझे पता है सर। है, मुझे पता नहीं, ये पहली बार से
now it's freezing here. I don't know why. Just the last minute, something happened here. We cannot hear.
जय सचिनंदन भक्त जो होते हैं इस प्रकार कभी रोते रहते हैं। पर वृंदावन बिहारी लाल की जय जय श्री राम। बहुत सुंदर है, अधिक समय नहीं लेकर के थोड़ा एक कीर्तन हो जाए और यहाँ पर थोड़ा प्रसाद भी आप ले लें, एकादशी के प्रसाद है। आज बहुत सुंदर भी स्थान है, धूप भी नहीं है।
So today is not sunny, not rainy as well.
महाप्रभु की कृपा
We are so lucky. It's the mercy of Mahaprabhu. Day of Ekadashi as well. If it wasn't the mercy of Mahaprabhu, who can come here?
हो गया, कभी यहाँ पर आने की कोई मौका ही नहीं मिला।
It's been 40 years in my life. I've never even been able to have the opportunity to come here before.
ना सौभाग्य मिला।
I didn't have this good fortune to come here before. And also now it's Chaturmasya. Yes, Chaturmasya, Julan Yatra.
प्रारंभ हुई।
Beginning of Julan. Do you think it's something ordinary to come here in this time?
देखो कितने भक्त लोग आप
Look, how many devotees were able to come. Look.
अगली बार की इसी बार यदि अनाउंस करते
Next time more people even could come. Gurudeva said, yeah, not even next time, but even if this time, if we had announced more,
भीड़ जम जाता।
many people would come, I know.
है, मुझे पता नहीं, ये पहली बार से
Oh, again it's freezing the same part. I don't know why. What happened? I don't know. I'm not able to hear. The last minute, Gurudev is saying something. There's one more minute of Harikatha. Literally 1 minute, but it's not going. I don't know why. Very odd. I don't know why this is happening. The last minute is not going. I don't know if it's only my problem here or it's from the video. If I put the video again back, it works. But if you come in the minute, again stops. It's 35.40. But by the photo, you can see the video is there, but it's not working. Oh, this was on YouTube first, right? Let's check on YouTube if it's working on YouTube. Let's check just 1 more minute and then we finish this. Translation. YouTube. Let's put the YouTube here. Propaganda. Here.
तो गोपी क्या करने लगी, अपने जुड़ा बांधने वाले जो रस्सी है ना, है, उस रस्सी के अनेक लीला कथा आदि, आज 40 साल तक हो गया, कभी यहाँ पर आने के कई मौका ही नहीं मिला।
So it's been 40 years, I never got the fortune to come here before. Now it's Chaturmasya and Jhulana Yatra. It's not ordinary to come here. Look how many devotees are here.
अगली बात अनाउंस करते,
If we had announced, then so many people would come. I know.
है, मुझे पता नहीं, ये पहली बार से जा रहे हैं, पता नहीं कहाँ पर ले जाएंगे, क्या होता है।
Because now was the first time I came here, so I didn't know exactly how was the arrangements, how was the place. I thought, let me see first.
अरे एक जन्म रास्ता देख लो,
So in one life,
जन्म चलना शुरू करो।
so in one life you just check the routes. How's the routes? The first life. Then the second life you actually walk the routes, the path.
दौड़ने शुरू करो।
Then in the third life you start running in that route, in that path.
तो इस बार पहली बार हम लोग आए,
So this is the first time I came here. This place is very beautiful.
देख करके ऐसे लग रहे हैं कि हम पर स्नान करते रहो और बार बार देखो कैसे।
Look, only by seeing this river, I feel like having a bath here because it's so beautiful. I want to just bathe in this river. Looks like the Jamuna and Ganges flowing, making the sound kal 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 kal. In one side Ganga and the other side Jamuna. In one side Mahaprabhu, so that's why Ganga is flowing. And the other side is Jamuna. The meaning of Ganga and Jamuna, just like this older sister and younger sister. Jai Jai Sri Radhe.
Krishna Hare